I was doing a lot of traveling, and I was finding every day that my travel time going between meetings ended up being more than my productive time. And more than that, when you get there and into the meeting, you're actually still waiting for participants anyway. Now, when people are coming to you, your travel time is low, but your waiting for participants is still there as well. The thing is that when you look at it from a team perspective, not just a selfish personal perspective, it adds up, right? And that affects the productivity of the teams that you're working in. Can you go next? Okay. So what we're wanting to do in our version 2 of our software, we're really wanting to save you from having to have all your team leave their desks to go to meetings. And one of the things we are hoping that we can make a dramatic difference on is the waiting for participants coming into meetings. Because with our new system, you're able to actually arrive as everyone else is arriving rather than what happens in even a WebEx or something like that. The new platform is across all the places that you are, from mobile to web to PC. And I'll just give you a little bit of a viewpoint of what that looks like. So you can be in a virtual environment like this. It can look however you need it for your enterprise or application. We can do training applications. For instance, we've got some military things going on, which look nothing like this sort of thing. And if I could even control that, I'd say hello to this guy, and he's talking to the group over there. So you've got lip sync and these sorts of things. So it feels quite immersive for when you're there, and the benefit is that the team really feel involved. Okay, so we focus on developers, and I don't know if you know the developers quote, but people like Microsoft focus on developers. They've got huge communities. We are Microsoft-focused technologies. We're on the .NET platform, if that means anything to some of you. And we are enabling developers to take this to their customers. The customers are enterprise and government. In enterprise, we're focused in aviation, medical, and we're looking at logistics, for instance. So far, we were founded in 2007, but we actually are, we've had a technology team together since 2003. And this year, we've set up in the US, and it's really been going very well over there. In a 6-month period, we basically won a major federal contract over there that is very significant because it's setting the scene for many agencies to get into the virtual world space. They have a way of buying our technology now, which is a real barrier to entry for those who don't have some way of being bought in the US government space. We're the only non-American platform to achieve that status. We've got picked up Fortune 100 clients, and we've got some really major partners in the defense and related spaces. So our business model is that we aim to be very open. We are the most open platform out there on the market. We focus on open data. Customers can know that if they're using our platform, then in 10 years from now, they'll still be able to use and visualize the same things that they're seeing today. Why? Well, just like you can look at a 10-year-old HTML page now and actually get the gist of what was there, the information, because we have a markup language that's open and free for people to implement, and we have an open source edition that people can use at any time. So right now we're commercializing through offering enterprise licenses. You can see the details there on the screen. And we're seeking customers, integrators, and investors.